Yeah. So good morning to everyone. Good morning. So this is the one of the class. I missed out to take this class previously, right? So I want to complete this class also, right? Please let me know audio video is okay or not. Please let me know audio video is okay or not. Check once. Yeah, let me try this. So time complexity, few questions are pending, right? I will try those. Main for I is equal to 1, for I is equal to 1, yeah, thank you so much. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. If n modulo I is equal to 0, then for j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, j plus plus. Afterwards, x is equal to y plus z. End of the for loop, end of the if, end of the second for loop, end of the main program. End of the main program. Yeah. So this is the program. Can you guess what will be the time complexity of this program? What is the time complexity of this program? Can you guess? Those people who are watching, please let me know what is the time complexity of this program. There are two for loops are there. I loop and j loop. There are two for loops. I loop and j loop. Try once. I will give the answer. I will give answer. Please try your opinion. What answer you are thinking? What is the time complexity of this program? Two for loop. For I is equal to 1 to n. For j is equal to 1 to n. X is equal to y plus z. If anyone knows, let me know what is the time complexity of this program. Check once. I will give the answer. First you try. What is the time complexity of this program? So do you remember or not? Do you remember or not? Are you able to see or not? I don't know. Right? In between two for loops, there is a condition. In between those two for loops, there is a condition. In between those two for loop, there is a condition. There is a condition. And I forget to make this problem simple. To make this problem simple. To make this problem simple. Let's make it as n is a prime number. To make this problem simple, let's make n is a prime number. To make this problem simple, let's make n is a prime number. Now, at least can you try now? In between these two loops, there is a if condition. Because of prime number, very less factors. You know, prime number having only two factors. That itself and n. So that itself and 1. Prime number having only two factors. That itself is 1 and one more is 1. So each I value you want to go inside j. Each I value you want to go inside j. But because of condition is fail is stopping. You know I loop is n time, j loop also n time. Inner loops you have to multiply, that is also you know. I loop n time, j loop n time, they are inner loops. You have to multiply, but conditional inner loop, you cannot multiply because you are unable to go every time inside. You are unable to go every time inside. Each I value you will try, but you will fail. I think you will pass only 2 times. If you pass, then only j loop. Pass j loop n time. Pass j loop n time. Fail, no j loop. Fail, no j loop. Fail, no j loop. If you observe clearly, 2 times only pass. N minus 2 times fail. 2 times only pass. N minus 2 times fail. Fail means how much time? Every I value you will try, you fail. I think because of you are not going inside the j loop every time constant time. If you go inside every time n, if you are not going inside every time constant. So let me give the answer. Let me give the answer. I am giving the answer one time. Whatever I said till now, I am saying one time. See, this I loop is n time. This j loop also n time. And one more. This condition true 2 times. This condition false n minus 2 times. If true, then only go to j loop. If true, then only go to j loop. Now see this one. I value 1, you will go inside j loop n time. I value 2, you try to go but you cannot go, constant time. I value 3, you try to go inside, you cannot go, constant time. Right? So everything is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 here. Right? Here also 1, 1, 1. Now see this one. I value n, j loop is working, so n. So if you observe clearly, 2 times n minus 2 times 1, 2 times n minus 2 times 1. So if you observe clearly, time complexity of this program is going to be 2 times of n plus n minus 2 times of 1, which will goes to 2n plus n minus 2, which will goes to 3n minus 2, which will goes to theta of n. So time complexity of this program theta of n. Time complexity of this program theta of n. Check. Right? So this is the answer for this. It's a very nice problem. It's a very nice problem. Can you check once? Those people who are watching, if you have doubt, let me know. Before going to the next problem, please let me know your opinion. What you are thinking, where you have fault, where you have doubt. You ask me, I will help. Check anyone having doubts. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. Can I go to next problem? Can I go to next problem? Shiv Prasad, can I go to next problem? Check one time if you have doubt. Right, go to next. See the next problem. One more example. Mean right. See the next one, mean. For I is equal to 1, mean for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus for j, right? Okay, I think. J is equal to 1 while j less than or equal to n, j is equal to 2 into n, x is equal to x into n. Here x is equal to 1. Right. This is a given program. This is a given program. I want answer from you for this program. What is the time complexity and final x value? I want for this problem time complexity also and x value also. I want time complexity and x value. Two things I want from you. For this program, find x value, find time complexity. Find x value, find time complexity for this problem. Right? For this program, find x value and find time complexity. Yeah, Shiv Prasad, you send that problem to me. You send that problem, you personally, you can ping me, right? I will try in the next class. You personally ping me, I will try in the next class. Check once. This program, what is the time complexity? What is the x value? It is a very nice problem. Check one time. So what will be the time complexity? What will be the value? I will try. I will try to give the answer for this. Can you see one time? I will try to give the answer. So if you observe clearly, this for loop is n time. If you observe clearly, this for loop is n time. Right. I think this while loop is log n time. I think this while loop is log n time. For loop is n time, while loop is log n time. For loop n, while loop is log n time. Yeah, fine. Until now it's okay. N and log n, this is absolutely fine. Check if anything doubt is there. J is equal to 2 into n. Yeah. So I loop is n time, right? J loop is log n time. Fine. Now, if you observe clearly, time complexity means what? Loop is how many times? Because of its inner loop multiply. So everyone know time complexity n log n. Everyone know time complexity n log n because their inner loops multiply. Their inner loops multiply. N and log n. N and log n. So time complexity n log n everyone know. Time complexity n log n everyone know. Right. So what about x value? So how many people are given? Right? Let's see. Time complexity. Time complexity is n log n. True. Time complexity n log n. Time complexity n log n. Right? Time complexity n log n is true. Let's go to the x value. Let's go to the x value. If you observe clearly, listen, if you observe clearly, I is equal to 1, you came inside j. I is equal to 1, you came inside j. See what is happening. Whenever this loop is going on, every time x is multiplied by n. What is the meaning? X value initially 1. Whenever this loop is going on, x multiplied by n. What is the meaning? So I think first 1 into n is n. N into this loop is log n time. This loop is log n time. So at the end of the I is equal to 1. At the end of the I is equal to 1, x value becomes n power log n. At the end of this particular while loop, I is equal to 1. While loop is over. Then x value becomes n power log n. Because n into n 2 times n square. N into n 3 times n cube and so on. N into n log n time, n power log n. So I is equal to 1, it became n power log n. If you observe clearly, next I value, again same story will repeat. What is the answer? N into again, right? Existing 1. So what is the answer? This is also log n time. So I think this will become if you observe clearly, right? So this one you have to multiply. N power log n, n power 2 log n. So what I want to say, n power 2 log n. I is equal to 2 over, I think this x value becomes n power 2 log n. I is equal to 3 over, this value becomes n power 3 log n. I is equal to 4, n power 4 log n, and so on. I is equal to n power n log n. N power n log n. So I think x value is n power n log n. X value is n power n log n. Check once. X value is n power n log n. Someone is saying, sir, inside loop run only one time for each I. Why so? Sir, inside loop run only one time for each I. How it is? Initially j value 1. J is equal to 2 into, yeah, you are correct. It is a j. Sorry for that. Thank you so much. Abhishek, I think. What is the name? Abhishek. Yeah, whatever you said is true, but my intention is j is equal to 2 into j. Thank you so much. You are correct. That is, j is equal to 2 into j. My intention is that. Check now. Shiv Prasad, please verify. Time complexity n log n, x value, let me write x value n power n log n. Yeah, that is the reason I said. Yeah, you are correct. Right? So the only thing is j is equal to 2 into j is my intention. Maybe because if I written something else, you said. Now whatever I done, are you okay or not? Verify. If not okay, I will explain again. Yeah, I also thought same way. Shiv Prasad, we both are in the same boat. Shiv Prasad, you and me both are in the same boat. But Abhishek is there in some other boat. Abhishek is going in flight. We both are in the same boat. We both are in the same boat. Abhishek is going in flight. Anyone having doubt? Anyone having doubt, please verify. Good boy, good boy. Now go to the next problem. Go to the next problem. So some problem is coming while writing. But let me check again. Yeah, is it okay now? Is it okay now? Right. So this program, I want answer from you. This program time complexity and value, both I want. This program time complexity and value, both I want. Can you try once? Q value 0 for I is equal to 1 to n. P value 0 for j is equal to 1 to n. But j is equal to 2 into j. P plus plus. For k is equal to 1, k less than or equal to p. K is equal to 2 into k, q plus plus. Return q. This program, what is the time complexity and what is the value? Check one time. Try one time before I will give answer. Can you try few minutes from your side? Can you try few minutes from your side? Yes, true. So can you check once what is the answer you are expecting? Time complexity how much? So if you observe clearly, inside I there are two loops j and k, but j and k is not inner to each other. They both are inner to I, but j and k is not inner. So whenever not inner, so you will take only larger one. You know very well. You will take only larger one. So I think this loop, if you observe, it will go log n time. Here n is there. This loop will go log n time. So this loop will go log p time, where p is log n. So I think second loop is log n. First loop is log n time, second loop is log p time, which is nothing but log n. Log n, right? Fine. Log n. Yeah, sorry to say that. Here I think here p value 0 here, q value 0 here. Am I right? Yeah, let's available only, let's complete. Available only I will complete. Yeah, let's start this. Whatever possible we will try. Right? First loop is log n time, second time is log n. Fine. Until now it's okay. Both are okay. I value is log, right? J value is log n. So k value is log n. Who is changing every time? P changing. Who is changing every time? P changing. Right? Fine. Until now it's okay. So can you help me now? I loop is how many time? N time. So J loop, K loop take larger. Time complexity means larger only. So outside is n, inside is log n. Outside is n, inside is log n. Now see this one. Outside is n, inside is log n. So time complexity, listen, time complexity n log n. Time complexity n log n. But remember, see, I value 1, you will complete this, but there is a return. So I value 1, J loop is executed, K loop is executed, then return. What's the meaning? I value 2, you don't go. Right? J you will go, right? I value 1, J you will go one time, J will go, right? J will execute one time, K will execute one time, afterwards return. So remember, it is not n log n. What is the answer? It is log n. Time complexity log n. Check. Time complexity log n. There are two loops are there inside the I, right? Each I value those two, but unfortunate thing is because of return, right? I is equal to 1 only will execute. Log n and log n. Log n is the time complexity, that's everyone know. Some people are asking, sir, what is the Q value? Because of I is equal to only one time will come. Right? I think Q value if you observe log n. Q value is, I think, simply log n. Q value simply log n. If return is not there, bigger values may come because of return. Right? I think both will execute one time only. So time complexity log n, value is log n. Please verify if I am done anything wrong. Please verify if I done anything wrong. So can you help me, right? Shiv Prasad, can you help me? What is the answer of this problem? Time complexity value if return is not there. What is the answer of this problem if return is not there? Can you try this also? If return not there, what is the answer of this problem? If return not there, what is the answer of this problem? Then what is the time complexity? What is the value? Then if you see the time complexity n log n. If return not there, no return, no return, no return. Then time complexity becomes n log n. If no return, time complexity becomes n log n. But what is the value? Let's see the value. Q value. What is the Q value? Can you check? If no return, what is the Q value? And Q is not assigning again and again. Q not assigning again and again also. Q not assigning again and again also. What is the Q value? What is the Q value? So Q value first time when the I is equal to 1, Q value first time I think log n. Second time one more log n. Third time one more log n. Fourth time one more log n. I think answer is n log n. Can you check? If return is not there, first time I is equal to 1, right? So J will execute, P value becomes log n, K will execute, Q value becomes log n. One time log n is over, return is not there, go back again. I is equal to 2, P value 0, P value becomes next log n, so Q value becomes Q plus plus. I think it is going to be every time log n, like that, n times n log n. N log n. So no return, time complexity n log n, Q value is going to be n log n. Q value is going to be n log n. Check once if anyone having any doubt. Check once if anyone having any doubt. Right. If you are really comfortable, one more problem. Listen. If you are really comfortable, one more problem. Continuation to this. See this one. Continuation to this one. Everyone listen. One more problem. Continuation to this. See this. What is the answer of this problem if it is like this? What is the modified program answer? What is the modified program answer? Q value I want. I think some problem with the marker. So let me write it. I just modified once. Yeah, this modified program, what will be the q value, what will be the q value, what is the time complexity? Please say this also. This modified program, what is the q value, what is the time complexity? Yeah, let me give answer. Let me give answer. So this modified program answer, if you see, right? I think if you observe clearly, I is equal to 1, you come inside, J will execute, I is equal to 1, you come inside, J will execute, P value becomes log n. Next one, K value 1, listen, K value 1, K value 1, K value 1 only. You will go inside, Q value will increment by 1, return Q. Means indication that I loop is one time, J loop is full, K loop is also one time. I loop one time, J loop is J loop fully, K loop is one time. So P value becomes log n, K value, I think Q value becomes 1 only. So let me write now. Let me write. Modified program time complexity log n. Modified program time complexity log n. But if you see the Q value is 1. Suprasad, will you agree? Time complexity log n, Q value is 1. Time complexity is log n, Q value 1. Will you agree with this? Will you agree with this? Check one time. Suprasad, is it okay? Time complexity is log n, Q value is 1. Will you agree? Modified program time complexity log n, because at least log n time it is running. But if you see the Q value, one time also not running. I think Q value is 1. Q value is 1. Right? Fine. Next one. So let me say something about Unacademy. Those people who are preparing GATE 2024. If you are preparing for GATE 2024, my suggestion is start preparation now. If you are preparing for GATE 2024, start preparation now. And one more thing is join Unacademy, because definitely Unacademy faculty will help you. Join Unacademy. 2024 is your goal. Start preparation today. Unacademy teacher really will help you. Really they will help you. And one more thing is if you start now, advantage is you have 15 months time approx. If you start now, advantage is 15 months time is there. Number of subjects in the GATE exam is 12 subjects. Easily you can handle. If you start now, 12 subjects, right, before June or June ending, complete the syllabus. After June ending, right, July, August, September, right, go for revision. Afterwards, October, November, December, January, these 4 months, go for practice. You will get lot of advantage. If you do that, guarantee you will get the nice rank. So my suggestion is, right, 2024 GATE exam is if your target, please start preparation. Take subscription in Unacademy, you will get lot of advantage. So 30% discount is going on. Use referral code ReddySir. 30% discount is going on, right? Use referral code ReddySir. You can go for, in my opinion, Iconic you can go for 15 months. You will get lot of advantage. Next one. There is a all India level practice tests are available. On December 4th, 18th, Jan 8th, 15th, 22, 29. Use referral code ReddySir to get the test freely. Next one, no cost EMI and 0% interest. No cost EMI and 0% interest means if you want to take subscription, EMI option also available with 0% interest. Approval in 2 hours, minimal paperwork, flexible tenures. Next one, there is a Ignite batch. For 2024 I started Ignite batch. For 2024 I started algorithm subject is started. Morning 7, right? Morning 6 a.m. Right? Little change here, slightly changed. So 6 a.m. Ignite batch for GATE 2024 is started. Right? Algorithm subject I started 6 a.m. Few classes are over. In my opinion, you can start this. Use referral code ReddySir and you can join. And one more algo is going on, right? So morning algo is going on. After evening, compiler design is going on. After these 2 are over, I will start the data structures morning, right? Evening is TOC I will start. Followed by computer networks evening, right? Morning is discrete mathematics I will start. Followed by digital I will start. So my suggestion is, right, if you are serious about GATE examination, don't miss it out. For other subjects, so many good teachers are available. So definitely they will helpful to you in your journey. My suggestion is take subscription and get the as better rank as possible. Next one. You can go for Iconic. See this one. Iconic you can go. Right? 1.5 years. Iconic you can go 1.5 years because you will get all these advantages. You will get all these advantages. I hope you will utilize this, right? This one. I think, yeah. So Sai is saying something. Sai, let me go to your problem. Sai, let me go. See this one. Because of there is a return. See this one. Because of there is a return. K value 1 return happened. So this K loop will execute one time only. One time means Q value 1. One time means Q value 1 because afterwards return means this particular program is out. You will come out of the main program. Nothing will be there. So only J loop will execute means P becomes log n. Right? K is equal to 1. Right? K is equal to 1 itself you are returning. So Q value becomes 1. Q value 1. This will be log n. This will be log n. Right? I hope you are fine now. I hope you are fine now. So thank you so much. Thanks everyone for participating in this class. Right? See you evening. Evening also one more class is there. See you evening. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. Yeah, thanks everyone.